Hello, it's Kevin from Aquatic Artists. So we are still using AI in a lot of different ways. And there's been some developments that have made it much more efficient and much more valuable. At this point, with ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Claude being $20 a month, it's really hard not to get $20 of value out of any of these services. But one thing in particular that has made these large language models better for us is that if you pay for these services, if you pay for ChatGPT, you have the ability to create projects. And what a project is a place where you can upload files that can be referenced when you're working with the AI, but also it lets you set a system instruction. And that's really powerful. So for example, we have an AI mechanic is one of our projects. And that has all of the background of all of the equipment that we have here, all of our trucks, the engines, the years, the models, the engines that are in those trucks, all of our equipment, our skid steers, the brand, the model, again, number of hours that are on them, everything down to our tampers and blowers and our saws are all listed in the system instruction. And that way, when you're asking a question, you're not getting a generic answer that might apply to a wide range of things. You're getting an answer that applies to your specific situation. And that's really powerful and makes things much more efficient. So for example, when we're having an issue with a piece of equipment, our skid steer is making a noise, when asking ChatGPT, well, what could this mean? It's not answering about 12 different brands of skid steers. It's answering about what a 2022 Takeuchi TL10 V2 might have an issue with. And that makes it much more focused and much more relevant. The other thing is we have all of our people entered into these system prompts. We have all of our company information, our company background. So we have an accounting project. Instead of asking very general accounting questions and getting very general answers back, having that project set up for our accountant or our AI accountant really helps us get answers that are relevant. So now it knows what our EIN is, how our company is structured, the states we do business in, our benefit packages. It can answer all those very specific questions instead of giving generalized responses. So by setting up projects, and they're called different things. In ChatGPT, they're called projects. In Google Gemini, they're called gems. But they all operate the same, where you can upload files and you can tell the AI, look at this report or look at this statement of work and answer questions based on that document that you wanted it to review. So for ChatGPT, these are called projects. For Google Gemini, they're called gems, but they all operate the same, meaning that there's an area where you can upload documents that can then be referenced. So if you have a statement of work, you can ask AI to reference that statement of work. And then you have the instructions that tell it exactly your situation and the type of information that you're looking for. So whether you're using ChatGPT or Gemini or one of the other ones, for $20 a month, you're really getting a very educated and a very informed assistant. So it has made us much more efficient, and it's made our use of these tools much better. The results we're getting are phenomenal. So stay tuned. There'll be some more information about the different things that we're doing and how it can help you in your business.